Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you can hear, my name is Director. So this is the 4th episode of the Python series that I started on YouTube. If you're new, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, let's get to today's video. So we are going to be talking about Python operators. Python operators are used to perform operations on variables and values in general. So here are a few of the Python operators that we're going to talk about today. So we have a total of 8 operators in Python. So we have the arithmetic operators, we have the assignment operators, we have the logical operators, we have the comparison operators, we have the identity, membership, and bitwise operators. So we're going to start with the arithmetic operators, and I'm going to be showing you in Jupyter Notebook. So let's get to it. So we are going to label this. We're going to call let's say x is equals to 5 and y is equals to 6. So for the arithmetic operation, it's basically addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, exponential, and floor division. So for addition, you can say x plus y so we just try to print x plus y. Yes, we can do print x minus y, that is subtraction. We can do print x times y. Okay, we can do print x divided by y. Yes, we can do print. Okay, we are at modulus, so we can say 5 modulus 6, that is x. It's 5. We can do print exponential is x star star y 15. Yep. And then the floor division, which gives us the remainder when you divide two numbers. So we can say print x y 0. Yep. So that is the arithmetic operation. The next one is called the comparison. So for the comparison, we compare between two values. We can say equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater or equal to, stuff like that. So we're going to be using one example here, and then we move to the next one. So in this one, we can say, we can give the variables to a, b, and c. We can name them like that, and then so we can say if a is equals to b, print line a is equals to b, else print line a is not equal to b. So it's like that. So from the statement we wrote, it is saying line 1 is not equal to b. Line 1, which is a 21, is not equal to b. So we can do another one. We can say, let's do the less or more. So we can say if a is less than, then you put a colon here, then you can try to print line 2, A is less than B, and then right here, else print line 2, A is not less than B. So we can run that. Line 2 is not less than B. Yeah. So I think that's about it for that one. So we can move to the next one. The next one is logical operators. They are used to combine two conditional elements. So that is and, or, not. Yeah, those. So we can take an example on that one as well. Start below. X is equals to 50, let's say 15. So we can say X is less than 5 and X is less than 10. X is less than 5 and X is less than 10. If it's true in both, it will bring true. False in one of them, it will bring false. So in this case, greater than 5 actually, and X is also greater than 50, so it's false. So we can try again. We say X is greater than 5 and X is greater than 10. Let's see what it will bring. Saying it's true. Okay, so we move to the other one. We move to the OR. So for OR, it shows that one of them is true. It can be either. So let's say X is equals to 20. So in this case, we can see that they're saying X is less than 20 or X is less than 12. All of them are wrong, so we're going to say 12. So let's do which one of them is right. We can say X is less than 20, or X is less than, let's say, X is less than 50, or X is less than 80. All of them are true. X is less than all of them, so we can just write it's going to say true. Yeah, that's it. So the next one is identity operators. This one is or is not. Is or is not. Those ones are the identity. So let's just do one example. Okay, so we can say X is equals to 40 and Y is equals to 40. So say X is Y. Okay, and then here we can say X is Y true. We can change it to be something like 56. Yeah, it's false. It's not the same thing. It's false. We can write here X is not Y. Let's see if it will change anything. True, it's not Y because they're not equal. Yep, so we have, hopefully you've learned something, and make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.